Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set Discord to open all links in Chrome by adjusting a simple setting. This way, whenever you click on a link in Discord, it will automatically open in Chrome. Open the Discord mobile app. Next, tap on the user icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Web Browser. Tap on Web Browser. Select External Browser. That's it. Now every time you click a link in Discord, it will open directly in Chrome.